infinity arching, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
A big step, your first story. Writing a story is exciting. It's like opening a door to a new world. Your first story is special. It's the start of your writing journey. Don't be afraid. Everyone starts somewhere. Your story is your voice. It's your chance to share your ideas. You can make people laugh, cry, or think. Writing helps you understand yourself. It also helps you connect with others. Building your story setting, characters, and plot. Every story needs a setting. Where does your story happen? Is it a magical forest, a busy city, or outer space? The setting creates the mood for your story. Next, you need characters. Characters are the people or creatures in your story. Give them names, personalities, and goals. What do they want? What challenges do they face? Now think about the plot. The plot is what happens in your story. It's the sequence of events. A good plot keeps the reader guessing. What will happen next? Writing and making it better, drafting and revising. Don't be afraid to start writing. The first draft doesn't have to be perfect. Just get your ideas down on paper. Write freely and don't worry about mistakes. The important thing is to keep writing. Once you have a draft, it's time to revise. Read your story carefully. Look for ways to make it better. Can you add more details? Can you make the characters more interesting? Keep going, you can do it. Writing a story takes time and effort. Don't give up if it feels hard. Every writer faces challenges. Keep practicing and you will improve. Remember, every great writer started with their first story. Be patient with yourself. Writing is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the process and celebrate your progress. Now go and write your story. The world is waiting to read.